This is Paul.
Yeah.
This is the 2020 planner.
Yes.
hmm Now, let's just go back and look at what's happened.
Yes.
hmm Now, I was renting a room in a residence,
Yes.
and the landlord or owner
Yeah.
supposedly died in 2019, but I didn't find any evidence of that. Now, on January 15th, there was a snowstorm.
Yes.
I called one of the interested parties,
Yes.
and we agreed that we were going to leave the utilities on until the 31st of January.
Right.
hmm I was looking for a new place to live. Oh, hmm and then we had a national holiday,
Oh.
and then on the 21st, the utilities were discontinued.
Yeah.
Because the city of Port Angeles wanted me to put the name of the utilities in my name. Now, of course, I can't do that.
No.
I'm a renter and a boarder,
Yes.
and that was what was documented to DSHS.
Yes.
Now, I've been very good at communicating with law enforcement about my rights being violated. And I've been very good at communicating with the charity that's been paying the homeless rental assistance
Yes.
since approximately October of 2018.
Yeah.
When I got that deposit
Yeah.
of $150.
Mm-hmm.
Now, on the 22nd, there was no utilities.
Yeah.
I made some videos. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
and then I've been living there,
Yes.
and I've been waiting for you to enforce my rights. Now, the month of February.
Yeah.
hmm I stayed there the whole month.
Yes.
And no one enforced my homeless rights,
Yeah.
my civil rights, my renter rights,
Yes.
and my property rights. Pooh. Now, we have a new situation. Somebody
Yes.
said they don't have to enforce the rights of American citizens. I was sure that you do have to do that.
Yes.
And I've been telling you that I was going to sue you,
Yeah.
and then have you prosecuted.
Mm.
Now, your way of handling the problem was obstruction of justice,
Right.
obstructing the administration of government,
Yes, it was.
and the falsification and fabrication of evidence against me.
Yeah.
Now, I thought for sure that today
Yes.
you wanted me to ask some federal questions
Yes.
in federal district courts.
Yeah.
Now, for every attorney that says, well, we don't really use the district courts the way that you're explaining, I'm going to explain to every attorney the way that we use the federal district courts.
Yes.
So you can call the Washington State Bar Association and the membership and the oath of every attorney in the state. Because I will tell you, as an attorney oath, I can ask you a question in district court. Can you in any way violate the attorney oath that you had to say
Yes.
at the time of belonging to the State Bar Association?
No.
Do you have to support the laws of the state of Washington?
Yes.
Do you have to support the state constitution?
Yes, we do.
Do you have to support federal laws?
Yep.
And do you have to support the United States Constitution? Now, when I look through the attorney oaths
Yes.
that are obligated to join the bar to be able to practice law in the state of Washington, give me their oath from the time that the bar admitted them to practice law in this great state right now. Because I'll ask each one of you a $750,000